Checkout page makes it easy for you to add fees and surcharges to your pages, such as processing and shipping fees, and taxes, like VAT and sales taxes, so that you can pass your business costs to your customers. Charging fees and surcharges passes your costs to your customers, which saves you money. Hello, it's Chanel from Checkout Page. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily add fees and surcharges to your checkout pages. Firstly, I'll show you a few use cases in which you'd benefit from adding fees and surcharges. I'll show you how to add processing fees, a shipping fee, a sales tax fee, and how to apply different fees to different payment methods. Next, I'll show you how you can multiply the applicable fees depending on the number of items that your customer selects. And lastly, I'll show you how the fees and surcharges are charged when your customers make their selection on your checkout page. Let's jump in. This is a page that I've already created selling a gift box. Please note that fees and surcharges are charged for every recurring payment for subscriptions, but in this video, I'll be covering a one-time payment product. To add fees and surcharges to this page, click Checkout from the top menu, and then click Fees and Surcharges from the left side menu. Let's add a processing fee as our very first fee. Click Add Fee, and all fees will require a label, a fee type, which is a fixed amount or percentage, and to input a fee amount. Let's add a processing fee to pass our costs to our customers. Let's label this processing fee, choose the type as a fixed amount, and input the fee amount to be $3 and click Save. We can see in the preview that there is an added processing fee of a fixed amount of $3. Now let's add another fee. Let's add a shipping fee. Click Add Fee and label this shipping fee. When setting a shipping fee, be sure to add the amount that makes sense for the area that you're shipping your product to. For example, if I'm just shipping my product within the United States, I may want to put a fixed amount of $10 and click Save. We can now see in the preview that there is an added shipping fee of a fixed amount of $10. Now let's add a sales tax fee. Click Add Fee, and let's label this sales tax. When setting a sales tax, it's important to know the sales tax percentage within your region. For example, within the United States, the sales tax is approximately 8%. Let's change our type to percentage and input the fee percentage of 8 and click Save. And we can now see in the preview there's an added sales tax of 8%. Now that we've added 3 fees to our page, let's apply the processing fee to specific payment methods. Applying processing fees to different payment methods is beneficial because payment methods charge different processing costs. So I'm now changing my currency to euros because I am currently based in the EU to apply additional payment methods to this page. I'm also going to go to my payment methods and enable my page to accept multiple payment methods here and click Save. And we can now see in the preview that Klarna and Revolut Pay are available on my page. Let's go back to fees and surcharges and edit my first processing fee to be applied to only the payment method Revolut Pay. I know that Revolut Pay takes approximately 2.8% of all processed payments, so let's change this fee type to percentage and input the fee percentage of 2.8%. And now most importantly, let's click to apply this fee to a specific payment method. When we click the drop-down menu, we'll be presented with all the possible payment methods. You can select many at once, but for now, let's choose to apply this to only Revolut Pay. And click Save. And we can now see in the preview that since we have the card payment option selected, there is no processing fee. But when we select Revolut Pay, a processing fee of 2.8% appears. Now let's add another processing fee and apply it to the payment method of Klarna. Click Add Fee. Let's label this processing fee. We know that Klarna takes about 4% of all processed payments, so let's change this type to percentage and add the fee percentage amount of 4. Let's click to apply this to a specific payment method, and let's apply this to only Klarna. And we can now see in the preview if we instead select the payment method Klarna, the processing fee has now changed from 2.8% to 4%. You can create many different fees and apply them to many different payment methods on your page. Now that we've added different fees to our page, let's take a look at how the applicable fees can be multiplied by the number of gift boxes selected. I've already added a quantity field to this page where customers can increase or decrease the amount of gift boxes selected. Let's multiply our shipping fee by the quantity of gift boxes selected. This is beneficial because you may want to charge a higher shipping fee when more gift boxes are selected because the shipping package will be larger. On our shipping fee, let's click to enable multiply by quantity and click save. And we can now see in the preview that when one gift box is selected, the shipping fee is 10 euros. And when two gift boxes are selected, the shipping fee is 20 euros. Please note that you can only multiply the fee by the quantity of items selected if the fee is a fixed amount. If the fee is a percentage, it will increase along with the subtotal. Now let's see how the fees are added when customers make their product selection in the live hosted page by clicking here to open up the live hosted page. Now we can see that when we select the card payment method, there is no processing fee applied. And the shipping fee and sales tax increases when we increase the quantity of gift boxes selected. This is the same for when we select the payment method Google Pay. But if we instead select the payment method Revolut Pay, we can see that there's a processing fee of 2.8%. And if we now select the payment method Klarna, we can see that there's a processing fee of 4%. And that's how you add fees and surcharges to your checkout pages to pass your processing costs to your customers. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.